Hi there, everybody. This is Marybeth. I'm back with you, and I could not be more excited because this is the magical time of year. We have just got into our busy season. August is finally here, the long-awaited, long-anticipated time of the year, the busiest in this wonderful home-based business industry that I have been part of now for nearly 2 decades. Most recently, I have been getting a lot of inquiries about copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets. I just decided to pop in here and do an updated August 2025 guided back office walkthrough, just to show you the amazing features and everything that you will have access to help you to generate great results, to help you to consistently earn with your new copy and paste ads, home-based business opportunity, just in time for the busy season. Love this amazing system. It is super simple. It is affordable. It is duplicatable. It is scalable. And the bottom line is it just simply works. $100 one time gets you started, plus a one-time $29 admin fee. Folks, this is something that you definitely want to take a close look at if you're seeking out a simple way to generate extra income, especially this time of year. This is what drives up the volume in our industry starting now because the kiddos are going back to school and everybody needs extra income and extra cash flow with those extra added school expenditures. Plus there's many extracurricular activities expenses. And also, not to mention, the season, the upcoming holiday season. It's not too early to pre-plan for the holidays this year. And there's many other reasons why people seek simple side hustles like copy and paste ads. So if you're looking for something that can help you, that can benefit you, you need extra income, more cash flow coming into your household each and every single month. Congratulations, because you are in the right place at the right time, and I'm so happy to share with you. So without further ado, let's dive in. This is a brand new video here. I'm going to go ahead and play it with you, and this is what you're going to see as soon as you log in to your members back office after you make both payments. Okay, so let's go.
Hi, my name is Pam, and welcome to Copy and Paste Ads. With our simple system, you can literally post ads and make money. We're excited to have you as part of the team. You now have access to a simple, proven system that can help you start earning $100 instant commissions, just by following a few easy steps. First things first, make sure you bookmark this page so you can access your members area anytime. Next, click the button below this video to go through the New Members Getting Started guide. In the guide, you'll learn how to set up your profile, how to add your preferred payment methods so you can start receiving your $100 commissions, and how to start sharing your affiliate link right away. Remember, this members area is packed with tools to help you succeed. You'll find sample ad copy, banners, email swipes, traffic resources, and more. Everything you need to build and grow your copy and paste ads team. So dive in, take action, and let's start making those $100 payments roll in. Our system is a reverse one-up, so you now have leverage with our system. Make sure you watch the video below to fully understand the updated compensation plan. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us on our support system. Let's do this, and welcome aboard to Copy and Paste Ads.
So there you go, folks, a new exciting intro video. Go ahead and watch it once you get access to your back office after you join. And then what you're going to want to do first and foremost after you complete watching this video, you're going to want to click here, New Member Getting Started Guide. This is going to take you step by step through your new guide, okay? So here it is right here, and this is everything that you need to be up and running quickly for the best results and much continued success with your new business called Copy and Paste Ads, as simple as it gets. Here is a little video right here, 3 minutes long. It's going to explain the payment methods, everything that you need to properly set up your system. Okay, here are the step-by-step instructions for completing everything that you need. All of your resources are going to be located right here. And as you can see, there I am, just earned another $100 recently, folks. Okay, this is an amazing opportunity. I've been part of this now for the past couple of years, and I truly have enjoyed it. Okay, so you're going to set up your payment processors. You can get paid however you want. One of my primary methods is authorized.net. It's my merchant account, so I am fully set up to accept all major credit and debit cards. I also have Cash App, Venmo, and a couple other methods as well. Okay, step 2, you're going to update your profile. Here's all of your sample ads in step 3. Top places to advertise. There, see, I earned another $100, folks. I love the system. And you know, the bottom line is it's simple. You just have to show up and be consistent. Okay? Top places to post ads. That's all going to be included. Done for you traffic. You'll find that. Many different traffic methods. And they all work, folks. You can do free. You can do low cost paid. You can do paid. Once you start earning consistently, you can ramp up and you can scale up. All right. How to post ads in step number 6. And there I am again, folks. Not to toot my own horn, folks, but you know what? I just show up. I stay consistent. And the system sells itself. It really does. It's affordable. It is super simple. People love simple sales. Affordable, folks, for the masses. It is worldwide. And also, it's very duplicatable. Everything is here mapped out, laid out, spelled out, step by step, and it's very scalable. You start earning, you can add another, marketing method, another advertising platform, whatever you want to do, folks. It absolutely works. All right. How to post ads in step number 6. Number 7 is members area training, and then we have access to bonus ad credits. And it's all here awaiting you, folks. So you start here, you go through your new members training right here, okay? And you watch this little video, and then you continue to step, okay? You'll see my payment methods right here. This is mine, authorized.net, Cash App, Manual, and Venmo. Whatever you choose will be activated, and it'll show up in your back office with a check mark next to it, all right? So we're going to come right back here, okay? We're going to go right back here to the home, all right? And this is where you're going to locate all your contacts. Here's your capture pages. These are ready to go, done for you. You have many, many different options. And all you have to do is click on the one you want and make it your primary. It's so easy. Okay, nothing to set up, nothing to create. Just simply point and click and make it your primary. Then you're going to come down here, and this is going to be your sales page right here with a video, and you're going to make it your redirect. 2 simple clicks of a mouse, folks. Whichever one you want. If you want this one, you make it your primary. You come to this one right here. This is the done for you sales page with the video that'll be out there working for you 24/7, doing all your telling, all your selling, and all your explaining. Okay, so you do not have to. This is an automated system. It works like a charm, okay? Make it your redirect. You'll have your long link. You're going to want to take that and do a simple redirect to a domain like at GoDaddy.com. Mine happens to redirect to easydaily100.com. That's easydaily100.com, okay? So just wanted to share that with you. This is where you go for your capture pages. This is where you can track and monitor and see your entire team that you are building, okay, throughout the building process. Here's all of your tools, folks. Your statistics, your ad tracking, your done-for-you pre-written email follow-ups. It comes with a built-in follow-up email autoresponder. You can also integrate your own if you wish to do that. There's your iSpin Auto Builder login and sample ads. Okay, many sample ads are all here, folks. Places to advertise, Craigslist posting, tips and cities, YouTube marketing. I also do YouTube marketing, folks. It's free and it allows me to reach the masses, people just like you, looking for a simple, affordable side hustle to help you to increase and earn extra income on a regular, ongoing, monthly basis, folks, okay? And then here's your payment method tutorials. It's all here, folks, okay? New revised ads, all new for 2025. They're all here, okay? You can use them accordingly to your liking. They work like a charm. There is no shortage. You can tweak these up. You can modify them. You can edit them. And folks, you can just wash, rinse, and repeat, okay? Look at this, 40 ads total, okay? You can just keep going through these and have fun using them and posting them with consistency for the best results, okay? So we have our tools here, sample ads, okay? We have our resources. We have a wonderful paid members Facebook group. I encourage you to definitely request to join, okay? To stay up to date on the latest and the greatest, okay? Resources and training. This is where all your resources, all your training is going to be, folks, okay? In this module, Getting Started Guide, your follow-up emails and autoresponders, Craigslist posting, how to post an ad on Craigslist, a paid ad. This is step-by-step training right here. Top 100 places to post, Facebook groups, the many different groups that you can request to join and post in, and this is free. Mindset videos and sample Craigslist ad right here awaiting you, okay? So we have it all here. Top 200 places to post, all right? All these wonderful places, folks, latest and greatest, up to date, up to speed for 2025. Top places to post, no shortage whatsoever, okay? And then we have our Craigslist ads training. Post ads, make money. Here is the wonderful training, folks, on the Craigslist paid method, all right, for copy and paste ads. Top producer explains how to copy and paste ads and promote our digital income system called Copy and Paste Ads. Plus, you're going to get access to the tips and tricks on all the high traffic cities, okay? So it's all here. Follow these simple step-by-steps right here, and you will be golden, all right, if you plan to use Craigslist. Now, we have sample ads, okay? Sample ads right here, okay? Many sample ads that you can utilize. We have Craigslist posting tips and cities, okay? All here, folks, just follow along, okay? Just point and click. We have places to advertise, okay? And then we have banner ads. So if you like banner ads, here's the codes, and you can have fun posting these on a multitude of banner ad sites. All you have to do is go to Google and type in banner ads, and many, many will pull up, and you can go there. You can register, create a free account, and use these ads. Many free banner sites, many low-cost paid banner sites, okay, are awaiting you. And then we have, again, all your sample ads, 4 different options here. And then we have traffic. Now, I've utilized Hercules. This is a well-known, proven ad resource that's been around for years and years and years. $20 ads. I highly encourage you to definitely plug in. And Udemy, udimi.com. Hundreds upon hundreds of solo ad vendors. Great for click traffic. Start from where you are. Start with a 100-click package. And then as you are consistently earning these $100 instant pay commissions, the choice will be up to you to go ahead and scale up. Go from, let's say, 100 to 150 clicks and to 200 clicks, 250 clicks. When you join with me, folks, I will share with you my specific strategies, everything that I utilize to consistently earn with copy and paste ads. YouTube is my primary #1 top go-to website to advertise that is free. You just have to stay consistent, folks. I have many videos out there for copy and paste ads that pull very well, generate me great high response, high converting leads that turn into customers, allowing me to consistently earn $100 in commissions over and over again. I've also used Facebook, my personal profile page, Facebook stories. There's also TikTok, there's Instagram, there's Pinterest, there's LinkedIn, just to name the primary social media sites that are all free. And then we have the low-cost paid. I use Hercules right here. There's also Traffic Zest, which is very, very good. TrafficZest, zest.com. I recommend checking that out. And then I'll give you my top 5 vendors, top 5 sellers that I purchase paid click traffic here on udemy.com. Okay? Start from where you are. All right? Here's more bonuses. And then ways to receive. You can literally set up however you want. For your convenience, I accept all major debit and credit cards. And I want to let you know, if you should need it, just reach out to me, text me, or call me. I have a payment method plan through Square Afterpay. If you qualify, you can split up the $100 if you need to, and if you qualify into 4 interest-free installment payments of $25 each, totaling the $100. So with that being said, folks, here is where you are going to head on over to my website so you can opt in and review everything and get started. EasyDaily100.com. Okay? So that is a short walkthrough of the back office. You're going to discover a simple way to start getting $100 payments over and over again, okay, to your favorite payment processor. Just give a good valid email address, click please show me more, and you'll be taken right inside. You'll see a little bridge page, and it's going to redirect you to that sales page. There's going to be that video there. You're going to review it, and then you'll get to review all the highlights. You'll pay your one-time admin. You'll pay me $100, and you'll be well on your way to getting started. If you have any questions about anything at any time, text or call me. That's the best way to reach me, and I can be accessible at 330-787-1795. Okay? EasyDaily100.com. I'm dropping that link in the description. Go there now, and I'll hopefully see you soon on the inside of Copy and Paste Ads. Bye for now until my next video.